Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you through some of the official accessories for the Insta360 GO Ultra. So I will show you what each accessory is actually made for, how you can use it, and what kind of shot you can get with it. This video will help you decide which accessories might be interesting for you and which one you can simply skip.
Now, in no particular order, let's start with the first one. The Easy Clip headband is easily my favorite accessory here. It gives you complete freedom of movement and lets you record exactly what you see with your own eyes. It's comfortable, doesn't get in the way, and it's one of the best POV mounts for the GO Ultra. You're not just recording a video, you're fully part of the activity.
I'll slow down a bit! Slippery.
Now, let's take a closer look at the Flexi strap mount. This accessory is small and has a low profile, yet it's surprisingly versatile. You can mount the camera to rails, poles or handlebars and get some really creative angles. The strap is much stronger than I expected. Sometimes it's actually hard to remove. Great option for bicycles, motorbikes and similar setups. The quick release mount is all about speed and convenience. It lets you mount and remove the camera in a matter of seconds, without messing around with the screws. Perfect when you're switching between different accessories or simply want to save time. Next, there is a quick release wrist strap. This accessory is perfect for simple handheld shots. It's a minimal setup. You can keep the camera in your pocket, pull it out and start recording instantly. Great for traveling light, quick selfies and everyday moments, without carrying extra gear. This accessory also gives you that extra peace of mind that you won't drop the camera on the floor, so you feel more secure. Next, there is a backpack clip. At first, I wasn't really sure where I should use it besides a backpack, but honestly, that's where it works the best. You can walk around with the camera clipped to your backpack and only use it when you actually want to record something. The camera is always within reach, and you can also record hands-free POV shots from the chest level. It's perfect for travel, hiking and other outdoor activities. Next, there's the monkey tail mount. It's a flexible and a very versatile accessory that works almost like a snake. You can bend it and wrap it around all kinds of objects. There are basically no real limits here, except your imagination. It's perfect for vlogging and mounting the camera in unique places. Next, there's the pivot stand. This accessory uses a reusable sticky adhesive and works best on a clean and flat surface from all sorts of different angles, letting you get unique perspective. Everything around you can become a tripod. And there's the mini 2-in-1 tripod version 2.0. This accessory works as a camera grip, a selfie stick and a mini tripod, all in one. It's small and lightweight and gives you a solid grip on the camera, and can be slightly extended for selfie shots. The included wrist strap adds that extra safety and gives you some peace of mind while shooting. Next, there's the ring remote. This accessory lets you control the camera without touching it. It's very simple to use because there is only one button. Press it once to start or stop the recording, take a photo, etc. It's extremely useful when the camera is mounted somewhere you can't easily reach. But it's also great for selfies when using a selfie stick or tripod.
So there you have it. Obviously, these are not all of the accessories that are available for the Insta360 GO Ultra, and there are plenty more. But since I don't have all of them, I focus on the ones that I actually own and have tested myself. Let me know which one of these accessories is your favorite and will help you get the shot you're looking for. My personal favorite is the Easy Clip headband, because it's simply perfect for capturing POV shots. And that's where the GO Ultra really shines. But at the end of the day, the more accessories you have, the more unique angles you can capture with your camera. Think about what fits your style and don't be afraid to try something new, cause you might be surprised. For today's video, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next one.